in.
Mr. and Mrs. Smith?
Yes.
Hi. I'm here for our 8 o'clock appointment.
Yeah.
Right. So what do you guys do for work?
I'm a teacher.
You're a teacher? How long have you been doing that?
5 years.
5 years? Wow, okay. What about you, sir?
Insurance.
Insurance? How long have you been doing that?
Over 20 years.
20 years. Nice, nice. Where are you working?
Independent.
You're independent?
Yeah.
Wow, okay. Nice. Okay, so basically, I'm gonna go over the mortgage insurance. It's 20 minutes. Really simple. I asked that if you have any questions, just, save for the end. And, yeah, I'll get started. So, John, Mary, your mortgage is currently $350,000, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now this is for the type of coverage that if you, John, or if you, Mary, should die, the $350,000 mortgage is paid off for the family. Now, it used to be that when you died, the money would go directly to your lender, in this case, Bank of America. But now it's set up so that when you die, the money goes directly to the family. Now, John, Mary, this is huge. The family can decide to pay off the house, pay down the principal, or even make payments till the home is sold. Can you guys see why this is so important?
Yeah.
Right? It gives the family the option to keep the home. Having the options to make payments until the home is sold allows the family to also extract any equity you may have built in the home, and as you know, that can be major. So, John, Mary, do either of you have any work insurance?
Have insurance, yeah.
Yeah, fantastic. That's great. You have work insurance. Unfortunately, as you already know, you can't take it with you when you leave. So, John, Mary, either of you, are you both of you in good health? No major surgeries, no diabetes, any cancer,
No.
heart problems?
No.
Yeah.
Nothing in the heart?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Do either of you smoke?
No.
No? Fantastic. So, John, Mary, I'm a broker. What that means is I can do business with over 100 insurance companies. That allows us to find the most amount of coverage for our clients with the least amount of premium. Some of the companies that we're currently recommending are Nationwide, Mutual of Omaha, Protective Life, and Phoenix Life. There's a company called AM Best. That's the credit bureau that rates insurance companies on financial strength. Although it's true that in the past 140 years, there's never been a death claim denied because the company was insolvent, it's meaning that insurance companies are backed by the federal government. It's still important to be with a strong company, correct?
Oh, yeah.
Right, nobody knows the future. That's why most of the companies that we recommend are rated A by the AM Best. This just gives you that much more peace of mind. So often I'll stay with one or two people weekly that either have cancer, have had a heart attack, or have drug-related problems. And on occasion, we are able to help them get in the coverage they need to protect their family. The home mortgage protection plan will pay the $350,000 loan when you die. In addition, once you're approved, you can never be canceled. Unlike auto insurance, they cannot take your insurance or change provisions due to a health change. You folks clear what we've covered so far?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right? Any questions?
Not yet.
No.
No? Okay, so for this last part of the presentation, I'm gonna customize a plan for both of you guys. It's gonna take about 2 minutes. All I need to know is your date of births. So what's yours, sir?
September the 1st, 1970.
Alright, beautiful. And what's yours?
7162.
Okay, fantastic. So I'm gonna customize the plan for you guys, like I said. It's gonna take 2 minutes. And alright, let's see. So what do you guys, any plans for this week?
Well, we just watched the Super Bowl, so
Oh, that's right.
yeah.
Were you guys happy about the Super Bowl or?
No.
Yeah.
No,
But
you
it was
weren't.
exciting.
I was.
She was, but you weren't.
Yeah.
Must have been exciting.
Yeah, it was. It was a really exciting game.
That's nice. Yeah, I saw the Super Bowl too. So I was my manager.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So fantastic. So for the last part of the presentation, so John, Mary, the way your home mortgage protection plan works is that when you die, John, your family will immediately receive $350,000. Mary, when you die, your family will immediately receive $350,000. If you both die at the same time, your family receives double. In your case, $700,000. This money is paid immediately, and it's paid with income tax free. This money avoids probate. Are you guys familiar with the probate process?
No.
Yeah, I am.
Yeah. Well,
No.
as you know, it could be a very difficult time for the families. It can take nearly a year to ordinary assets. This just avoids that process. Some of the benefits included in your plan are the common carrier rider. If you should die in a common carrier accident, such as a bus, train, or airplane, your family receives 2 times the amount of coverage. The chronic illness rider. If you have a chronic illness such as if you're unable to perform 2 of your 6 daily living activities, such as eating, dressing, transferring, toileting, or continence, you have access to your death benefit while you're still living. The critical illness rider. If you have a stroke, cancer, heart attack, or Alzheimer's while you're still living, you have access to your death benefit. The last one's the terminal illness rider. If a physician gives you 12 months to live or less to live, you have access to your death benefit while you're still living. This plan is portable, meaning that if you move, sell, or refinance, you can take this plan with you. You don't need to start a new plan. This plan is convertible, meaning that you can convert to permanent without having to requalify. So the monthly premium for you, John, is $50. If for you, Mary, it's $30. So John, if you die, your family's taken care of. Mary, if you die, your family's taken care of as well. If the both of you become critically ill, chronically ill, or terminally ill, you're taken care of. Can you see why we recommend this home mortgage protection plan for our clients?
Yeah, I can see
Right.
the benefit. Yeah.
Right? It only makes sense. So one of two things will happen. You either get approved and we're clear to move forward with the plan, or someone comes back with their health and we have to look at other options for you guys. So we're clear, and all we're doing today is just seeing if you guys can qualify. All I need is just to go over some questions on the application. Fair enough?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get started. So I'm just gonna need your guys' IDs, and then I'll start the application. Can you guys get your driver's license for me, please?
What do you think? Yeah.
There we go.
That's what I do. That's it.
Okay.